Not sure what a 1/4-inch thick 4 by 10 sheet of diamond plate is, but it's heavy.
Get close
The plan is to tack these hinges.
and
Tack them where it's
start out
so
with a tack on this
you
back
want the
corner.
bottom of the hinge to be at the bottom, so that you drive over this smooth. We designed it so that these hinges are kind of centered between where the tires will go, so that there's the most amount of strength there. And the idea is that you'll still be able to fold this thing up in the event that we ever move it. It's a perfect angle to like a nice long rake, nice ramp for getting. If I could put the Lamborghini in there, whatever. So then we're gonna have this piece, probably not necessary, but we're gonna take this piece, put it up under there for additional strength. But this really is how this should have been designed. Look how nice and look at the design, how long that is. And I have this panel overlapping because in the event of when we move this, crane's going to come pick it up. We're going to a couple of guys to be able to lift this thing up flush against the wall. We're going to drill holes into it. And we'll just put a couple self-tappers in there to hold it shut, so that during transport, that thing will be seal it up. Because this thing it's a portable drone. That's the whole point. We can move it with a rollback, cube carrier, crane. Crane's going to come pick it up. Probably put it over there. But for now, we're going to just use it here because it's fine right here. And it wouldn't be hard to add solar panels, like a solar panel with a battery with a little inverter to run with the electrical on it. I've just got it plugged in with an extension cord temporarily, because it doesn't use permanent power. There it is, upright, with the leg on it, completely flush. Well, these guys are good. Look at that. So the idea would be, we're gonna just, probably drill a hole right here. Then I can put a bolt or a latch or a pin that goes through there. And that way, if it wasn't so heavy, that'd be an extra added security. You could put a lock there and there'd be no way anybody could steal from out of there. Like if you had, like if we just put a hasp of some kind here that stuck through there, and you put a padlock, and that would prevent, just, for future reference, would prevent somebody from going in there and stealing the car and driving it out. It'd be one more barrier that would make it way harder. Anyway, come out really good. It's gonna end up getting painted. We're gonna get some oil-based silver gray gloss, and then paint that whole ramp and the floor again, because that's what it was. It was the gray gloss oil-based Rust-Oleum, and awesome. It wouldn't be hard to put an air conditioner in this thing either. Like if you wanted to use it as a workshop of some kind, whatever. 12 by 12 by 24. Paid 10 grand for this thing, if you saw from the previous video. They cost double that. They were made by Ahern, which is here in Las Vegas. They made the Container Park. They made the Pond Plaza. They have the Ahern Hotel. And I think they made about 6 of these, or maybe 10, I don't know. I'd love to. I wish I could buy like 6 of them. Just stack them next to each other. They're effing great. All right, there it is. It's all finished. Well, it's not all finished. Like I said, I want to repaint. We're going to paint this floor. We're going to paint the ramp. But, I mean, This should have been the way it was built. So, Ahern, you could hire me for design. Maybe I'll try it out. Let's go grab a car. Try it out. Wow, that was smooth as butter. Oh yeah, smooth as butter. There's tons of room in here. Plenty of room to open the door. Look how big this thing is. See, when people go, when people say, oh man, all you gotta do is use a shipping container. Shipping container won't let you open the door. Look at that. I guess full-blown door open. All right? Like, not all the way, but almost. Tons of room back here. So I could easily fit the Rolls Royce. I've been having trouble with the sensors on this door. Not working properly. Go down. There we go. I need to get these realigned. Honestly, they just need to be removed. I don't need safety on this door. F safety. Safety sucks. All right, look at this. This is a pretty big SUV, and there is enough room to just casually just walk around this thing. Tons of room. Plugs in here for chargers, ventilation, more plugs for chargers. This would be a great workshop though, right? So I'm gonna keep, my plan is I'll probably keep the Phantom in here. All right. It's perfect. I love it. Mm-hmm.